Hi there, I'm Ismail from Pearl Lemon. Most people treat technical SEO like a to-do list. Fix 404s, improve page speed, submit sitemap, move on. That's not technical SEO strategy. Real technical SEO strategy is about control. Control of crawl behavior, authority distribution, and structural trust. Today, we are moving from checklist operator to a systems thinker. The problem with checklist SEO is that when you operate from a checklist, you react. You see an error, you fix it. You see a warning, you patch it. But you don't ask, why is Google crawling this pattern? Why is authority flowing here instead of there? Why are weak pages competing with money pages? Technical SEO is about structure, not maintenance. Crawl budget isn't just about large sites, it's about attention allocation. Google doesn't crawl randomly, it follows signals. If your internal linking over promotes tag pages, guess what crawls more? If your money page is 5 clicks deep, guess what gets ignored? Crawl budget is behavioral psychology. You train Google's crawler through structure. You don't need to get log files someone like to think like someone who has them. You need to ask some key questions. Which pages are indexed but shouldn't be? Which valuable pages aren't getting impressions? Which parameter pages are inflating URLs? Search console impressions plus crawl stats already tell a story. Technical thinkers reverse engineer crawler behavior from outcomes. PageRank still exists. Every link is a vote, but not all votes are equal. Site-wide footer links distribute chain equity. Contextual links inside relevant content passes stronger links and stronger semantic signals. If you link to 200 URLs from your homepage, you weaken all of them. Authority is not infinite. It must be directed intentionally. Canonicals don't fix architecture mistakes. If you internally link to both, for example, example.com/page and example.com/page/ref123, you are telling Google two different stories. Canonicalization is about signal consolidation. Your internal links, sitemaps, and canonicals must all align. If they contradict each other, Google chooses and not you. Site structure is power distribution. A shallow intentional hierarchy says these pages matter. A messy structure says we don't know what we are about. When categories are tightly themed, authority compounds. When topics are scattered, equity dissipates. Architecture is not design, it's strategic signaling. The shift from operator to strategist is perspective, honestly. Technicians fix, strategists engineer. When you understand crawl psychology, authority flow, and structural trust, technical SEO stops being reactive and it becomes leverage. So you need to learn to hone your technical SEO tactics as a preemptive measure to SEO success and not a reactionary behavior to any errors that are perceived. You need to make sure that you promote the pages that need to be promoted and also keep the pages that need to be at the back more. Imagine coming to your search console and you see that the page that is getting the most traffic for your website is a page that does not need it. That is just going to feel like you are not doing the work the way you're supposed to do. So what fixes this is a proper technical structure. You need to be able to tell Google that these are the important pages in my site, crawl them, focus on them, and make sure those pages are well optimized to inspire Google signals to give them high rankings and in turn high quality traffic and great conversions. If you found this video to be insightful, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching and goodbye.